Passage number 17. All concerned appear to have felt satisfied with the above quoted communication, as no one, including the respondent Pakistan Television Corporation and the two petitioners, never voiced any grievance nor agitated against the issuance of the above quoted directions. Full stop. The two petitioners, however, claimed to have been shocked by the issuance of a letter by the respondent Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Authority dated 10th January 2011, whereby the above quoted letter dated 22 December 2010 was withdrawn, and it was to question the said subsequent letter dated 10 January 2011 that the petitioner felt compelled to approach this court through this petition for redress of their grievance. Full stop. It was submitted that the impugned action conduct of the respondent Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Authority was a gross infringement of fundamental rights which stood guaranteed not only to the two petitioners but even to the public at large, that the same was an act calculated to cause inter alia huge unbearable financial losses to the two petitioners, that respondents number 3 to 5 were obliged not to infringe the copyrights of the two petitioners nor to allow infringement thereof by anyone else, and further that the impugned action appeared to be rooted in malice. Full stop. Mr. Sulman Akram Raja, the learned counsel for the Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Authority, who appeared on caveat, vehemently argued for the dismissal of the petition, contended that the above quoted communication dated December 22, 2010 had been unauthorizedly issued by the Regional General Manager, Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Authority, which was also violative of the relevant law regulating the subject, and it was for the said reason that the same had been withdrawn. Full stop. On our query, the learned advocate Supreme Court submitted that a letter had been issued to the said General Manager on 11th January 2011, seeking his explanation about issuance of the said communication. Full stop. A copy of the said letter was placed on our record, which had commanded the said manager to submit his explanation within 7 days. Full stop. Today, however, happens to be the 30th day, but neither the explanation submitted by the said regional manager was placed before us, nor could it be shown that any disciplinary action had been initiated against him for issuing the said communication, which was being vociferously condemned by the learned counsel as a display of gross illegality and misconduct on the part of the said officer. Full stop. Mr. Raza Khan, the learned senior advocate Supreme Court, appearing for the respondent Pakistan Television Corporation, submitted that the said order dated 22 December 2010 had been issued by a regional office of the Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Authority and not by the Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Authority itself. Full stop. He, however, conceded the petitioner number 1 had been granted to broadcasting rights for airing the ICC Cricket World Cup 2011, but added that the respondent Pakistan Television Telecommunication Authority had the terrestrial broadcasting rights of the said tournament. Full stop. He added that once the Pakistan Television Corporation broadcasted the event exercising its said terrestrial rights, then it had no control over the same broadcast could then be caught by any person, including the cable operators, which operators could then air the same, and that the said operators were under the control of Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Authority and not of the Pakistan Television Corporation. Full stop. He, however, further conceded on our query that the Pakistan Television had no raised any grievance against the above mentioned letter dated 22 December 2010, nor had it approached any forum, including the Pakistan Electronic Media Regulatory Authority, to agitate against the same or for its recall. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat, as well as Principal Ajmer Shorthand and Computer College, Shahadra.